at the sun. You're not a fool, not a fool, not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone.
Welcome to the People's Choice Podcast. I'm your host. You already know I'm Kevin Chandler, and today we are going to discuss about the disease of diabetes. Yeah, and I have a guest here, Mr. Robert Mbare. Yeah, who is a nurse at Dovik Clinic in Chile. So we're going to discuss about this disease, what is this disease is, and what causes this disease, some prevention measures, and many more. So stay tuned for more information.
I see the moon, I see the moon, I see the moon. Oh, when you're looking at the sun. You're not a fool, not a fool, not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone.
So like I said, that we're going to discuss about today we're going to talk more about this disease of diabetes. So Mr. Mbare, can you tell us what is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by high blood sugar levels in the body. So this is this is this is what diabetes is. So what are some types of this disease, diabetes? Yeah, there are some types of diabetes. So first one is type 1 diabetes. This is a autoimmune disease typically developed in a childhood, and second type is type 2 diabetes, which is a metabolic disorder often linked to obesity and physical inactivity, and the third type is gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy. This is special for women. And fourth one is LADA. This is a latent autoimmune diabetes in adults, combination of type 1 and type 2. And last one is maturity onset diabetes of the young. This is for the young ones. This is a genetic form typically developed in young adults. So these are some types of diabetes. So like any disease have some causes. So what are some causes of diabetes? Yeah, like any disease, like you say, that have causes. Yeah, also diabetes have some causes. The first cause is genetics. So this is a family history. If you knew a family where someone who sick backwards, if he sick from diabetes, I mean one of your family members can also sick. Another one is obesity, and also physical inactivity, insulin resistance, pancreatic damage. If you are pancreas damaged, you can also suffer from diabetes. Another one is hormonal imbalances, and also certain medication. Last one is a viral infection. So these are some causes of the berries. So what are some signs and symptoms of this the berries? Yeah, there are some signs and symptoms like any disease of signs and symptoms. So first symptom is increased thirst and urination. Second one is fatigue. Yeah, third one is blurred vision. You fail to see properly if you are likely to suffer from diabetes. Another one is a slow healing wounds. If you have a wound, so it takes time to be cured. So that's also a sign of symptom of diabetes. Another one is tingling hands and feet. Last one is recurring skin infection. So that's symptoms of diabetes. So what are some complications of this disease, diabetes? Some complication. Can you tell us, Mr. Ambali, for complications of diabetes? Yeah, there are some complications of diabetes. These are some like heart disease, yeah, stroke, kidney damage, blindness, nerve damage, foot damage, and cognitive impairment. So this is some complications of diabetes disease. So what's some diagnosis of of diabetes disease? Diagnosis of diabetes disease are some. First one is a fasting plasma glucose test. Second one is a oral glucose tolerance test. Third one is a hemoglobin A1C test, and the last one is a random plasma glucose test. So these are some diagnoses of diabetes. So what are some treatment of this disease? There are some treatment. First treatment is medications, which is oral and injectable, and also you have insulin therapy, lifestyle modification such as healthy diet, regular exercises, weight management, stress reduction. So these are some treatment of for diabetes. So how people can prevent the disease of diabetes? People can prevent this disease firstly by maintaining healthy weight, engage in regular physical activity, doing some exercises. I believe it can help. And also eat the diet food. They must eat food that can build their body, and also limit surgery drinks. Lastly, they must manage stress. They must avoid worrying. Yeah. What are some risk factors some factors that lead people to suffer from this disease of diabetes? Yeah, first one, yeah, there are some risk factors that lead people to suffer from diabetes. First one is age. The people who reach age of 45 above are likely to suffer from diabetes, and also family history and obesity, physical inactivity, and heavy diet, high blood pressure. Yeah, if someone has these things, that means they are likely to suffer from uh, from diabetes. Yeah. So what are some control measures of diabetes? Okay, some control measures of diabetes, like I say already, is some healthy diet. Eat some food that are good in healthy, for example, vegetables, fruit. Yeah, this can help healthy fats. I believe this can help to build the body in order to prevent to suffer from a diabetes. Another one is exercise regularly. Do exercise regularly. I believe this also can help. Yeah. So what government can do in order to help people to prevent this disease of diabetes? We must introduce some policies. Also, they must improve their public health programs, and also they must introduce some education and awareness. Yeah, I believe this can help to defeat this disease in our country. Yep. So what's your last word before we conclude our podcast, Mr. Mbale? My last word is that just encouraging people that diabetes is a disease like any disease, so they must not fear, but they must do all the things that we said in the podcast, that they must do some exercises in order to prevent this disease. Yeah. So this is how we conclude our podcast today. Today we are discussing about the disease of diabetes. So I believe we all know that what is diabetes is and how we can prevent it. So have a lovely day. Goodbye.
I see the moon, I see the moon, I see the moon. Oh, when you're looking at the sun, you're not a fool, not a fool.